This is a payment you receive every single day on autopilot system. You need a lot of things to enjoy your life properly. In this video, I want to share how you will get paid $300 per day from Google Slides Make Money Online, and you are watching this video step by step. So this website is called www. This is Make Money Online. In every single day I upload a video to teach you how to make money online. And if you are a newbie and didn't subscribe my channel, please subscribe and click the bell button to get all types of notifications from here. And if you are interested and you want to make money online just like this, and keep watching. If you appreciate my videos, smash the like button now and share more and more with your friends. Right over here, as you can see, and you can also earn by utilizing Google Slides simply by following this step-by-step video over here today. But here is a disclaimer: results are not typical. Use this information at your own risk and follow the exact steps, or else results will not be possible. Now I would like to share total 2 steps to earning $300 from Google Slides. Step number 1: unveiling a money generating tool that is absolutely free just for you. Step number 2: revealing a high paying offer that people are profiting from over here. YouTube is the best video streaming website nowadays. People search on different types of categories or topics, or on different types of keywords. Now I have searched on keto diet. There are lots of videos over here. First video is how to start a keto diet, and this one is 3.4 million views, and before 1 year ago it has been uploaded. And also this once again, I'm in a keto diet for beginners, 4.7 views. And there is another video. This one is does the keto diet kill? Doctor reviews low carb diets and morality. And you can make this video without any types of previous knowledge or experiences by following this video step by step. So pay close attention to complete this video at a glance. Really, this channel's literally earning $1,000 or $2,000 per month, not from the AdSense, only from the affiliate link. So you can make this video also. I want to show how you will create this video by following this step by step. The first website is clickbank.com. This one is international and professional affiliate marketplace. You can use this one for promoting all types of products for increasing your earning. Ensure extra cash or commission on different types of people's products over here. So first of all, you have to create an account by providing all types of informations on clickbank.com. Then you can promote the link step by step I want to share. And if you come to these shops, you will get lots of categories over here. First one is arts and entertainment, as seen on TV, business and e-marketing, games and health and fitness, homes and gardens and parenting and families, self-help, and much more over here. And if you choose this one, health and fitness, just click on this and you will get lots of products over here. And after coming here, you will get amazing products, and you can choose for promoting on different types of platforms for sharing extra cash over here. At first thing, we are going to how you ensure the affiliate link for promoting of that particular or specific product for sharing extra cash. After clicking that product link, you will get the link, and if you promote that link, most of the people or viewers will click on that link, and boom, this is the best and easiest way to ensure extra commission from that particular product over here. So if you come to this, and you will get lots of information about your choiceable product. And as you can see here, this one is customer keto diet product details, URL, affiliate link over here. And this one is product price $37 and commission 75% of front end and upsells. Average sell at $39.64 over here. And this one is demographics percentage women and men over here, and you will get lots of questions, I mean frequently asked questions here to promote your to promote the affiliate links on different types of category, different types of platforms. So first of all, you have to study about this product, and after coming here or after completing the total informations or reading the total informations over here, and you can make a video on OBS or CAPTCHAS Studio, and step by step I wanna share over here. And you come to this and you will get lots of informations, and this one is a customketodiet.com. I mean you will get lots of informations about that particular products over here. This one is welcome, create your affiliate links over here, and product informations, banners, social medias, lead magnets, leading pages, videos, media, buyers, customers, demographics, articles over here. And now I would like to share another informations. If you click on these articles, you will get this feature, and you have to download this one over here. Here we have a select of articles that you can use for your websites or promotions. Feel free to mix and match them to make them totally unique. Remember to insert the subscriber name and your affiliate link where promoted over here. So you will get the all informations after downloading this one over here. And this one, after downloading this one, what should you do? You have to open the Google Docs. I think you can use as a doc file, or after coming here you will paste this one for editing or making a new one or new article for that particular product over here. I have written here what is the customer keto diet, and I have written an article on this different or particular products over here. So if you do this, and this is the best and easiest way, and just you have to make a video by using CAPTCHAS 9 or any types of screen record software over here. I would like to suggest this one is obsproject.com. This one is totally free, and you can use this software for recording any types of screen for making a new video. And after making this video, you will be able to upload that one on YouTube channel, and boom, this is the best and easiest way. And you have to provide the link on your video description box. If anybody come to that video, they will be able to click on this particular affiliate links, and they will purchase or buy that particular product, and you will be paid. This is the best and easiest way. And after coming here, and you will get lots of informations about this. And if you come to this video or click on this video over here, click here to download, and this one is custom keto BSL, how to start a keto diet, and intermittent fasting and keto, a guide to keto, lots of videos over here. And this one is download, and after getting the idea, you will upload that video on your YouTube channel over and over again. If you come to the if you do this again and again without any types of previous knowledge or experiences, or pay or spending any types of penny or money or dollar, you can ensure extra cash again and again or more and more by promoting this link or using these tools at a glance. So finally, I could request to make a video like this for promoting the particular product or keto diet product for ensuring extra commission from online. Thanks for watching my videos till then. I could request to watch all types of videos from my YouTube channel, and if you want to get lots of videos from this make money online, please like, share more and more with your friends. I'll catch you guys in my next video. Till then, take care.